Hello. So recently I bought this little RC car. I'm going to see how well it went. So here it is. So looks like it's got little some springs here, nice and soft. Here it hasn't got any springs, as you can see, but it still has a bit of give. You can tell if you take the chassis off, which actually isn't quite hard because the pins are tiny, but very loosely on. That it's nice and soft, which means a lot of absorption. Has got a solid rear axle, which means it doesn't have as much movement like that as one with independent suspensions and with actual dog bones and stuff, but it still is pretty good. So it isn't really an off-road car, even though it is in a short course truck body, because it has got tiny wheels and it's only rear-wheel drive. But nevertheless, it is really fun and great speed for the size, because it goes over jumps nicely and it's just great. It can sort of go off-road, so if you want to run it on like packed dirt, stuff like that, it will go, and it will sort of run on very, very short grass. So yeah, in case you're wondering how to charge it, it is a bit different to normal RC cars. You make sure the transmitter is on. There's a little charging jack there. Underneath the transmitter there is a little thingy where the batteries are. Charge cable comes out, sort of there. Plug it in to the little jack in there, then turn the transmitter off, and the little green charge light will come on, and once that turns off, it's charged, and you can unplug it and get ready to go. So I'll show you some videos I took just now. In case you're wondering, this is the team associated SC28. It is 1/28 scale short course truck, brushed, and it's 2.4 gigahertz controller. It's Fox Factory version. You can also get a Lucas Oil version, but that was out of stock at the shop. It only costs about $100 in Australian dollars, which is about £60 in Britain, and about $70–80 in the United States. So for the price, this thing is absolutely brilliant. Just love it. Because it does have a constant, it's only 2-wheel drive, and it's very light, only weighs about 100 grams. It does spin out a lot when you drive it, especially on slick surfaces, but even then, it's got full proportional steering, as you can see. So you're going to steer a little bit, a lot. It's also got proportional acceleration and a brake. And the steering is actually quite sharp, as you can see. So, here we go. Bye.